Good afternoon, lovely students. This week, you guys are on lesson 12 in decoding. So you're going to be working on the consonant LE syllable. And if you look at the hand there, that is the sign language L. So that's what we use when we're talking about or we're trying to tell the teacher what syllable that is with our hand. So the consonant LE. You should have your syllabication book out and your pencil. And remember that our job is to read, write, and spell words, multisyllabic words, with that consonant LE syllable in there. So a consonant LE syllable is in the final syllable and it's unaccented. So it's at the end of the word and it's unaccented. Accented, meaning if I give you the word miracle, which ends with a CLE, I say miracle. And mira is my accented syllable. If I said miracle and I accented the CLE, it would say miracle. See how funny that sounds? Miracle. Think about the word able. So the A is accented in able, but the consonant LE is not. If it was, we'd say able, which doesn't make much sense. And if you look at that second dot there, bullet point, it says that the consonant stays with the LE. So it's consonant LE, not just LE by itself. We're going to skip these slides and we're going to look at the word gentle. Gentle. If you look at the word gentle, if we were to divide this word, we would divide it. First, you spot the vowels. That's what they did here. They marked the L and the E together, and they divided between the consonant. So this first syllable is gen. Gen is a closed syllable represented by this closed hand over here. I know it's a closed syllable because it has one vowel followed by one or more consonants. Then the vowel sound is short. It says e, not e. So gen. And then tul. In this word, gen would be accented because the consonant LE is never accented. It is gentle, not gentle. Hear the difference. All right, let's work on dividing this word. In your workspace, in your syllabication book, I'm sorry, I do not have one, so I don't know the page number, but you could probably ask your neighbor and they can find it. So in the workspace, spot and dot this word. Pause the video so you can spot and dot this word. All right, when we spot and dot this word, they have the consonant LE together here, which is what they did with this one, and they only dotted one vowel here. The reason being is the E and the A are together and they make one sound. So when E and A are together, what sound do they make? If you said E, you are correct. So EA together says E, which is one sound, one dot. They separated after the EA, and when an EA are together, the E, this is considered a vowel team. Two vowels side by side working together as a team, and you represent that with this hand signal over here. And then, of course, we have our consonant LE with the right hand signal. So this word is what? Beagle. Put it together. Oh. The word is beagle. Remember, this has to be unaccented, so we don't say beagle, we say beagle. All right. In your workspace, please spot and dot the following words. Once you are done spotting and dotting all 4 words, please read them aloud to a partner. When we are done spotting and dotting, we're going to read through the multi-syllable words. With your partner, you're going to take turns reading the whole chart line by line. So, in the first time, partner 1 will read the first line, partner 2 will read the second line, and partner 1 will read the third line. Then we'll go back to the beginning, and partner 2 will start. Partner 2 will read the first line, partner 1 the second, and partner 2 the last line. So by the time that you've read through it twice, you should have read every word. Please pause the video and read through the words with a partner. All right, and we are done for the day for syllabication.